We're going to be doing a giveaway at the end of this video, so make sure you stay tuned. It's going to be an easy way to enter, just like always. So stay tuned to the end of the video. Alright guys, so before we get into this video and give you the update, I want to announce something. I think you guys are really going to love this. So me and Truckmaster and Ryan's Diesel Service, is the company that me and Truckmaster work with. They're the ones that supplied our 68mm turbos. We're going to be doing a big truck show June 22nd in Wisconsin. 100 North Oak Ridge Drive, North Prairie, Wisconsin. All that information will be in the description. There's going to be a link to Facebook if you guys can make it or not. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to have a dyno on site, food, drinks, and we're doing raffling. Worley Custom Fab will be there, AC Delco. There's going to be quite a bit of other vendors as well that are going to be there. We're doing a dyno day, so we're going to be doing highest horsepower GM trucks, highest horsepower Ford, highest horsepower Dodge, and then we're going to be doing highest horsepower overall. Fords, just do your best. But yeah, so if you guys are interested in going to this, the link will be in the description. If you want to have your truck on the dyno, you'll get 3 runs and then you get a printout as well. It's $100 and they're filling up pretty fast, so make sure you call ahead of time, contact ahead of time, that way you can make sure you get a spot. So the link in the description will have all the information you guys need. There's already, it's crazy because we literally just posted this a little bit ago, like a couple days ago, and there's already 302 people going or interested, and that's before any of our videos have really even went out going over the full details. So June 22nd, 9 o'clock, and it's going to be at that address I just told you, the North Oak Ridge Drive, North Prairie, Wisconsin. Okay guys, I want to see as many people as possible. We should have plenty of parking. We just got approval for a lot of the businesses, you know, around the area for extra parking, or have a park rented out, so we should have plenty of parking. But this is just a good way to keep track of who's going. If you don't have a Facebook, you should make one just for this. If you do have a Facebook, definitely go. Let us know if you're interested, or let us know if you can 100% make it. I know a lot of you guys are probably from up north, and that wouldn't be too bad of a drive for some of you guys. So I want to see as many people as possible, and let's make this thing huge. I think we really can. I think it's going to be an amazing event. For the truck show, due to the limited amount of parking we have in the lot, we're going to have to try to get as many as you can in. This will be more of a first come, first served basis. After the lot is full, there'll be plenty of parking in the general parking area, which is still going to be a great place to park. It's not like, you know, if you don't make it to the main parking, you know, you're still good. You know, we only have so much room, but we should have plenty of room for whoever wants to go. Okay, so I'd advise you to get there early as possible. We'll have more information on lodging and more parking locations and all that shortly. But like I said, we got plenty of time until then, and I think it's a good thing we're telling you guys about it now. That way everyone has time to prepare and all that. So yeah, it's gonna be awesome guys. So let me know what you guys think in the comments, if you can make it or not. Definitely hit that link in the description if you are interested in going. That way we can get a general idea of who's gonna be there, and that way we don't, you know, under prepare. So yep, let's get on with the video guys. I had a lot of questions about this, so that's what we're gonna do. I know it's not a super exciting video, but I know a lot of you guys are waiting, so let's go ahead and get on with it. A lot of people were asking me, when am I going to do the turbo install on the Duramax? When is the turbo giveaway going to be announced and all that, okay? We had a little bit of, I wouldn't say really bad news, but it's kind of been a big delay. And you know, I had all these videos planned for you guys. I had all this stuff lined up, and I'm not blaming anyone for this because it's not anyone's fault, but we had some miscommunication with SDP, Screaming Diesel Performance, it was just miscommunication. I think he thought I said I had an LBZ, so he actually made a LBZ Y-bridge, and right before he was about to ship out, you know, we were just confirming everything, and he realized that I had an LOY before he shipped it out, and so he's remaking that. So that's why the turbo install has kind of been delayed, and I've mentioned this in multiple videos before. You know, I'm not going to do the turbo install without all the other parts. You know, there's no point to take off the old up pipes, take out the old turbo, take off the stupid, you know, Sinister EGR delete I have on there, you know, and then put the turbo in place, and then I gotta, you know, tear everything back out. Not everything, but it just makes sense if I'm gonna do all that stuff to just do it all at once. You know, there's no point in me tearing it all down, putting the turbo in, and I still can't use it. So that's what I'm waiting on, guys. As soon as all that stuff comes in, which should be sometime either today or tomorrow, or sometime this week. I will get started as fast as possible, and then I will be announcing the turbo giveaway like end date, because I'm gonna have to rebuild it. I'm rebuilding that turbo in my truck, and that's with KC turbos. I'll give you guys the option if you guys want me to rebuild it and send it to you guys, or do you guys want to rebuild it yourself and I just give you the supplies to do it. You know, if you guys want to paint it a certain color or something like that, that would be the best time to do it. You know, whenever you go to rebuild it yourself, you can paint it whatever color you want. It's up to you guys, but I have all the parts to rebuild it, and I also have this 10 blade from KC Turbos right here. So yep, that's what we're waiting on, guys. The turbo's been here for a while. It's just yeah, that's the only thing holding us up. Man, I'm not blaming them. It's not their fault. So that's where we're at, guys. Pretty exciting stuff though. This thing is going to sound incredible. Of course, with the new side exit. A lot of people seem to like the side exit more than the axle dump, and I think I agree. And it could just be mainly because axle dump, a lot of people are doing now. Side exit used to be like the only thing really, and then people were doing axle dump, and now it's like axle dump's the thing to do now. So I'm going to go back to side exit because I think it sounds better, and I think it looks really cool. I have a full 5-inch magnaflow exhaust to a 7-inch just cheap I think eBay or Amazon tip. So alright guys, so here's my way of saying sorry for the delay on all the turbo stuff. I'm gonna do another giveaway, and it's gonna be pretty universal, so you don't have to have a Duramax, you don't have to have a diesel, nothing like that. When we give away these right here, I could not tell you the brand, I'm sorry. They're brand new and I have no idea the brand on them, but they look like they'd be very bright. They're both 6 inches, and they got all the, you know, hardware and everything right here. And so we'll do a giveaway just like we usually do. Just gotta follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook this time maybe, and then make sure you subscribe to this channel, and then let me know in the comments what this would be going on. Okay, let me know what your plan is, you know, where you're gonna put this. Okay guys, also turbo giveaway is still underway, guys, and if you guys are wanting to enter, here's how to enter. If you buy a key tag, the links will be in the description. Also, if you buy anything off of DirtyMaxMafia.com, that'll be in the description. That's also an entry. If you do buy a key tag, please let me know. Send me the confirmation on Instagram. That way I can put you down that way, and I can keep track of it better, okay? So that's how we're gonna do it. But yeah, if you wanna enter, follow me on Instagram. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Follow me on Facebook, Bertrand850. And then let me know in the comments what this is going to be going on, and it's as easy as that to enter, and I'll announce the winner probably sometime later in the week. That's probably going to do it for this video. Obviously I was just standing in my garage the whole time, and I do apologize, but I wanted to announce the truck show and the dyno day, and I also wanted to announce, you know, just why it's taking so long with this turbo, because I know a lot of people have been waiting to hear. I know a few people that actually bought the same turbo after I got it, that we're kind of waiting on this video so they can install theirs. So I do apologize. If you guys are waiting to kind of learn how to install this thing, my best advice to you is to go check out Truckmaster's videos, and because he's already done this. Of course his is an LBZ, mine's an LLY, but it's, you know, they're pretty much the same. So go check that out if you want to learn how to do it now instead of waiting for me. Thank you guys so much. If you guys are new to the channel and you like diesels or just automotive stuff, definitely consider subscribing and give this video a like, and we'll see you next time.